How to turn off message reminders notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys as usually and open your Snapchat. After this, when your Snap is opening, you go up and open uh, your profile. Then you go here and click on settings. Then after this, go to find notification. This notification, click on it, then go down and you will find an option or notification who name message reminder. You will just turn off this option by clicking here like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.